Front page of the Daily Basket case this morning. Smash the war machine. Bob Vylan. I write the headlines. It's Bob Vylan of the Glastonbury. Dismantle the war machine. I looked at it like lots of stuff. Look at this here. This is this one here. It says they wanted to kill our defiance, but have only ignited it further. Israel's military enterprise, which is ravaging through human life at an unprecedented rate, should not only be stopped for the sake of humanity, it must be permanently dismantled. Dismantled. Dismantle the war machine. A British citizen can join the IDF, kill children in Gaza, and return home without so much as a police interview, but chant something that offends Zionists at a music festival, and you'll be under investigation within hours. And here, how Bob Vylan will be viewed by history. The rest of them are British political and media class. Great statement by Bob Vylan. This is how you do it. Apologies when you've done nothing wrong. Never help. And apologies when you do nothing wrong. Never help anyway. Double down, fight back. Bob Vylan, he wrote a statement yesterday saying, dismantle the war machine. Dismantle the IDF. Israel air attack completely destroys Gaza City, Jaffa school. The forcibly displaced Palestinians were sheltering. But Glastonbury, it says above it. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the size of that crater. It says here, this horrific image from Gaza yesterday should be front page news. People pulling bodies from a crater after Israel bombed families in tents. It barely registered because massacring Palestinians has become daily routine. Bob Vylan makes clear he opposes the death. It's just what's on the front page of the news today, Chunky? You know, I still can't get over the cafe. They blew up a cafe with journalists, artists. I mean, killed like 20, 25 people. That's just one. Did you see the school? Did you see the crater in those tents? What's on the front page? Starmer guts welfare reform to avert defeat in Commons. Front page of the Financial Times. Trump's on about he wants to deport Elon Musk. Labour rebels force Starmer to retreat. Hang on a minute, he wants to deport who? Part of the Doge. Elon Musk set up the Doge. We got to defend Elon Musk from getting deported. Labour rebels force Starmer to retreat on benefit cuts again. Starmer is such a fucking loser. Starmer's benefit bills turns to farce. Now it's utter capitulation over PM's will. Who cares about it? Look at the Daily Mirror defending their boy at all costs. There's no winners here. On the front page of The Guardian, welfare bill passes as bruised Prime Minister backtracks to avert Labour revolt. You want to see some of my paintings? It's like the Aurora. Get that one there. you see the setting sun just over there? See it? Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes I wonder if I do the paintings, I actually paint them. Look at that one. How gorgeous is that? And that one. I've used watercolour there, but I've also used pastels. That is gorgeous though. Look at those clouds. Look at that. Oh, we got the cabinet bookshop. That's organising that now. We haven't got the books there yet, but we've taken it over. We're going to be there for 2 months. You have to come down. It's in Crystal Palace. I'm going to end on this one here. Look. I love this photograph. Me from the other day. Chatting with someone behind her. We're all Palestine action. Love that.